All right, let's try this again. I'm using something different now. Let me... One moment here. Okay. Let's see. Browser source. Need to find browser source. Other source, display source, media source. It's not seeing it. All right. Yeah, this is going to be an experiment. Chat is ready to display messages. And I am embedding it in the stream, so hopefully that should do the job. So I've expanded my stream to include different channels. And using a solution called Restream. I wanted to just test it out because I like to experiment. Chatters, no data. Chat trends, no data. Message, chatters. I mean, this is an exercise. Trying to see what happens here. Because I honestly don't know. I'm kind of testing things out as we go here. I like to experiment, and this is one way of experimenting. So let me see if I could just do this. Windows capture, scene, media source. So, all right, copy this into the OBS new favorite. Alternatively, you can also open this in a browser. Embed URL, case sensitive. All right, so this chat feature is open. And I don't know if this is streaming directly to the multiple streams that I have open. It looks like it is streaming, albeit I don't know. I mean, I feel like it's doing something. Board. So edit destinations. So I'm online on Twitch. I'm online on my Facebook. I'm online on Gamers Uplink on Facebook. I am online on YouTube. And apparently I can do this because I'm not necessarily an affiliate on any of these networks, so I figured I'd try it. You know, it's... You know, I feel like I can get a few different people here and there and everywhere and all that stuff. But the only thing is, I'm trying to figure out how to do the chat. That is the problem. That is the one thing. Like, the chat is ready to display messages. I see the chat is ready to display messages, but I don't necessarily see the chats. I mean, it might be that nobody's on the chat, but... what's the bot? The bot is here. Analytics. What's analytics? Well, I see nothing on analytics. What is the point of analytics? All sessions. I'm live. Facebook. YouTube. I mean, I think maybe... Alright, let me go check my phone or another computer to see if this works. And if it does, then... Oh, wait, I thought I saw something just go off. Maybe not. Yeah. Let's see. Docs. Curious. Custom browser docs. Restream. Let's try this. Restream. let's try. We want relay mode. Copy. Paste. Apply. I see the chat is ready to display messages, but I'm not seeing anybody on the chat, and that is a challenge. So, just curious. If I go to my profile, is it streaming? Okay, I see one person watching. I guess that's a start. That's a starting point. That's good. So I got one viewer on Facebook. Let us go on the Gamers Uplink Facebook page. See if there is anybody there. Okay, so I am streaming to the Gamers Uplink Facebook page. And I'm just curious if I'm going this on YouTube here. Am I live? I am. Okay. So I'm live on every channel there. Okay. So I am live. That's a start. Let's figure out the chat. I mean, there's got to be a way to figure out the chat here. Loads of fun things here. Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. All right, Mr. DeVille. That background, scale. Let's see, let's look at themes. 8-bit. There's an 8-bit theme. Default. There is one. No, let's do default compact. Okay, default compact seems to be. Let's launch that. Okay. Copy. And then obviously I want to add this as a custom browser doc. So apply, close. So I'm wondering if I do stats here, if I'll see anything. I don't see much. But I know I'm live on different streams. Thanks to restream.io. I'm live on multiple channels, so that's a plus. This is an experiment, folks. You're seeing an experiment go live. All right, browser. Let's try to create a new browser. Chat box. Okay. The source. Okay. So there is a chat box here. Let's just remove that for now and replace that with this. I don't like the way this is looking. I need to configure this a little bit. Hold on. Properties. File. Cancel. No, this is not working very well. Yes, I wanted to. No, I didn't want to delete that. Get rid of this. Remove. Let's try this again. Default message background scale. Copy, launch. This stream is ready to display messages. All right, let's try this again. Let's add a browser source. Create new chat box. You are seeing this live, folks. I am trying to figure this out. All right. Well, part of the problem says 800 by 600. So, oh god, this is going to be a challenge. Let's say 100 by 300. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. Undo. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I just go in and resize this? Yes, I can. All right, so let's try 300 by 600. There we go. That looks a lot better. Hold on. We reduce it by 100, so 300 by 400. Yep, nope. by 400. There we go, much better. So now we got read chat messages displayed. He boosts this up by 450. Or 475. $500. That's looking good. Perfect. A little off, but not terrible. Okay. That is looking pretty good. Now I'm just curious because I'm trying to figure out if this is coming through on other chat areas. So like I got like one viewer on Facebook, one viewer on other places. So I'm curious. I'm just gonna click on here. On other places. So I'm curious. I'm just gonna click on here. Yeah. So it is streaming. So I'm gonna just test. It is streaming. So I'm gonna just test. So it does work. Okay. That does actually work. All right, now I'm curious. I'm gonna go on Twitch and test this one. or link or YouTube. Gamers Uplink, say something. Got it. Test. Okay, that works too. And I'm gonna go to Twitch and test that. And see what comes up. And look at that. I see a couple things. Test. Well, what do you know? That actually works. Okay. Well, let's try that. I'm gonna try this out. See if this actually works out a little better. You know, I'm gonna multi-stream here and try to see if that works versus what I've been doing. So yeah, let's play that by ear. I'll try that in a few. I'll try that for a little while longer, and if this does work, then I might just use this method of streaming from here on in. I think what you need to do, and actually I think I see a couple of people like commenting on the Facebook part. You probably have to go to the live cycle of this. That's what you need to do. But yeah, this looks like it's going to work. And let's see if this this boosts things a little bit. Yeah, this looks pretty good. The chat is ready to display messages. This works quite nicely, actually. Kind of curious. I'm gonna try to copy this chat function here into some of the other areas. Here's my full screen. No, that's not what I want to do. Wait, actually, hold on a second. That might actually be pretty cool. That might actually be something that I would do. Let's go to full screen for a second. Let's paste that. Nah, I don't want to do that. What I want to do is I want to get this piece here. I don't want to undo it. I want to copy and paste over here. That's what I want to do. Perfect. Then I'll put this up here. That works. Put this over here. Like so. Of course, I want to display gamersuplink.com while I do it. Put this over here. And then starting soon, let's put you over here. Nice. I don't know what the live scene is. I don't use the live scene that much. All right. You know, I think this might actually work a little better. Restream seems to be pretty decent. You know, it's interesting. I don't think it's real time though, because I saw somebody on the Facebook side, uh, just comment 4 minutes ago, and they're not. I see one viewer, watching. So that's there. You know, as a guy that like deals with marketing, I love to try to experiment with things because at the end of the day, it gives me knowledge. So this is more not this is part of this is knowledge for me because I want to experiment with like new different services and stuff like that. So Restream is another service I want to experiment with. So I'm gonna get. I'm probably gonna figure out how to perfect this. Um, I'm not sure the chat, the streamlined chat is something that will effectively be effective across because, like, I again, like, I got a couple comments on the one, but it doesn't seem like it's really like going through to the other areas. So, um, yeah, that'll be interesting. I also can add other groups on here. I'm kind of curious. Edit destinations. So let's add another destination. Uh, Twitter. Let's try to connect Twitter. Authorize. Uh, Streaming live. Save. Okay, so now I'm live on Twitter, supposedly. Um, let's check that. Twitter.com/gamersuplink. Now look at that. I am live with Restream on Twitter. I got 0 views, but I'm live. Hey! Well, that works. That's interesting. I'm learning more as I go along, right? That's a fun thing there. So, kind of curious if I mean, I'm not going to try to hit the reply on this, but obviously that's something that could be done. I wonder if I can add like a couple Facebook groups in this. Like I own a couple Facebook groups, so that might be kind of cool. If I edit destinations, so add destination, Facebook, connect. You're using your available extra destinations. All right. It won't let me add more than one or more than two Facebooks. Uh, but I am on Facebook. On Figures. Wait. Hold, hold on. That doesn't sound like Facebook. That sounds like Twitch. Here we go. Okay. So I am on Gamers Up. I am on all these services. Okay. So let's do this. I'm gonna stream for another hour. Just test this out. See if people come on the stream. Uh, I have the chat going. Uh, hopefully I can see people and do all these things and respond at least verbally until I get this all squared away. My ear's itching. That's why I'm picking it. I'm going to try again to play Smuggler's Run 2. And let's try this again. Just gotta shut off the video for a second while I turn this on. So let's try this again. Let's see if this works and if I actually, you know, if I see a few more viewers out of this. Streams. Messages. Chatters. I just noticed that the outline of this one little frame is off. That bothers me. So we're multi-streaming tonight. I am on Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, and we have our website, gamersuplink.com. Let's see if this works a little better than just streaming on Twitch. I got a like. Nice. Okay, I got a like. Nice. Okay, I gotta get off that. Okay, I gotta get off that. All right. I'm too addicted to like figuring out if this works. I'll know if it works if somebody starts if people start chatting and viewing, right? Of course, I need to figure out how to get stats on this thing. That's the problem, right? Because let's see, stats. So I got FPS 60 frames. Actually, this works a lot better than directly streaming to Twitch. With Twitch, I was getting a ton of breakup directly there. But here, it's actually more seamless than what was there. I'm actually pretty impressed with this service. This works a ton better. A ton better. Like I'm kind of like almost watching like a little bit here and there, and actually the restream is working a ton better than like directly streaming. All right. Let's play for another hour, see where this goes. I think this might be a better way to stream. Considering I'm not an affiliate, I don't care. Right? Who knows, for fun. At least right now. I'm doing it for fun for right now. All right.
Things are getting real complicated. The law are giving us all kinds of problems. Don't get in any trouble out
there. Keep losing the chat. The chat is ready to display messages. You know, I kind of want to just copy and paste this. And just run it in its own browser. But I feel like the restream is actually working, and so let's see where it goes. Automatic. Let's do this. If this works, I might just go. I just might just use the service on a regular basis here. this rain. I should have took the truck that time. Ah, shit.
Why the hell were you so slow?
Why the hell was I so slow? I don't know. I mean, does anybody know? I don't know. Hold on. Jerome, hey, how are you? I'm trying to figure this out, so forgive me. If you are still watching live, then hey, you know what? Chat in the comment box. I'm trying to experiment with this. You can chat with me across different platforms now because I'm streaming on different platforms. So that's the goal here. Trying to figure this out here. Uh, I got the Twitch stream working. I mean, streaming on Twitter out of all places. That's interesting. Twitter, and I got a viewer on Twitter, which is even more amazing to that extent, right? One viewer on Twitter, which I didn't even know Twitter does live streams. Curious, what other destinations can you have? You can do LinkedIn. I wouldn't do. V Live. I'm already on Facebook Live. Wowza, Kaiko TV, Nano Live, V Live. I'll have to look into those. Daily Motion, I've known. I've known what Daily Motion is. VK Live, I think, is a Russian service. Provo, MX Cloud, Kaiko, Never, Nimo. Interesting groups of circulation there. I'll have to investigate some of these others. The next opportunity.
Hey, be careful up there, man. The army's almost here.
All right. Come on. All right. Obviously, I'm not doing very good in this iteration. Let's try this again. Restream does a ton better on the frame rate. I'm like kind of like watching between OBS and the Restream page, and I have to say that's a ton better. I think that's going to be my go-to for a while as I build this channel up. Damn it. No. Alright. What the frick? Knock you. So the chat is ready to display messages. Great. Can display messages. I need to go this way. Ah, no, 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 no. Okay. I wonder if you can stream to Instagram from this thing. Let's go to edit destinations, add Twitch, YouTube. I'm not going to stream to LinkedIn. VK Live. There's a few things. There's a few platforms on here. Good Game. You can stream on Steam. Ooh. I'm gonna have to do that. Hold on a second. Let's try that. Steam. Gotta log into my Steam account. Alright. Obviously. There we go. Steam powered. Alright. I have a Steam account. Where the heck did it go? Steam. There we go. Let's try the Steam app. There it is. Alright. Did I just lose this? Alright, did I just lose the restream window? Alright, here we go. Never mind. Let's try this. Let's see. Store, games, help, Steam support, legal information. Just learning about these things, you know. I just want to. I'm kind of like messing around tonight. Account details, store preferences. Ah, no, that's not what I want to do. I didn't want to go full screen on this. All right, this is why I hate back. Okay, how do I get out of this godforsaken exit big picture? Right there it goes. All right. Maybe I should just Google it. That might be the easiest thing to do. How to what do I need now? The RMTP and stream key. Stream key Steam. Okay. Where do I find my stream key? Before you begin, non-limited Steam account. Go to Steam, community. Alright, this looks too difficult. Not tonight. I am not going to do this tonight. No, that's not going to happen tonight, folks. I'm just messing around. So this is not going to happen this evening. Let's see. But hey, you know what? I like this service. I really do. I think this might be what I'm looking for because as a guy in my profession, I believe in circulation. That's one of the ways you get people. And hey, you know what? Like I'm looking at the stats, and actually, this is working pretty good. Nice. I actually see people going on the stream. That's awesome. That works beautifully. So yeah, that is great. That's absolutely awesome. I'm kind of curious. I'm just gonna go click on this stream here. Absolutely awesome. Yeah. So that's great. So I'm gonna have to like mess around with this a little bit, see if this to kind of like I'm definitely gonna mess around with a little bit to see to like figure out how to like merge these things together because obviously this is gonna um, do some great stuff. Um, but yeah, this is good. And you know it's funny because I don't have to. I'm not an affiliate, right? So I'm not bound by anything like this. So it's not as if I can't like stream on multiple platforms right now. Try out a few here and there and see which one works for Game Slipping Plays, um, and the other shows we plan on doing. So yeah, that works. I think I'll play one more time and then call it for tonight. I'll probably start maybe a little fresh tomorrow night. Hey! Hey, get away! Ugh. No shit. Use the computer to keep ahead of what's going on. No shit. I'm... Alright. We obviously want to try a different vehicle. Hey, Katharina. I'm trying to figure this out. I don't think the Facebook chat on a regular profile catches up to the live chat that's like on the like on this thing here. So we're gonna have to figure that out. I might have to like keep one window open and the other window open so that way I can at least acknowledge people chatting in. So. Ah, come on. Really? Of course. Alright, I think I... Well, alright.
Hey, be careful up there, man.
I'm trying to figure out what is the oil slick. I need the oil slick. Is this button here? Stop immediately! Over here, and over there, and over there, and I'm not going over here.
The army's almost here.
I got 10 seconds to make it. 8 seconds. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Of course. Of course I didn't make it. Let's... No, actually... Let me... No, that's not what I want to do. I want to go back.
Things are getting real complicated.
Alright, one more try, and then I'm gonna quit for tonight. One more try.
Use the computer. Keep ahead of what's going on.
And I'm almost wondering if I need the Hondo for this. The Hondo might have better grip. I feel like this is like... I feel like the acceleration in the buggy is... And the truck is just not, like, doing the job. I'm having a problem here. Alright, let's try the... Alright, I'm gonna do the Hondo. I'm gonna try for the Hondo. Last thing, and then I'm gonna stop for tonight. But yeah, we are playing Smuggler's Run.
Real complicated. The law are giving us all kinds of problems. Don't get in any trouble out there.
So it's good because I got people that are going on the other streams, and I got so maybe the option is, or the answer is to like use restream and circulation.
Use the computer. Keep ahead of what's going on.
All right, last try for the night. Hondo looks like it has a little more traction than these other guys. this time. It's gonna be close. All right, I think I'm gonna end for tonight, folks. It was a fun experiment. Thank you for coming on. I think I'm gonna use this service moving forward. It seems like it's honestly like I'm looking at the stats that I get out of the Restream interface, and um, I have a better streaming experience using this regardless. I mean, if even I think even if I hit an affiliate status or anything like that, I might actually just use this anyway, or I might just not do affiliate status and just do this and make it on my own. Anyway, that is it for tonight. On Twitch, I'm going to figure out who is on. I only have one viewer, but let's just rate a channel anyway. So far, Wally's on. Decisions. I think I'm going to raid. Oh, all right. Wally, I'll raid you the next time. Gonna raid Zofar. And thank you for watching, folks. Or wait, am I even? Yeah. Okay. So, all right. Thanks for watching on. We are on Facebook. We are on Twitch. We are on YouTube. We are on Twitter. And hope you catch us on the next time. Take care.